Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Yes!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northern Newcastle County and northern Delaware until 5:15 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm containing the possible tornado was near Glasgow, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Pike Creek around 4:50 p.m., Stanton and Newport around 4:55 p.m., Ashland and Hekesson around 5 p.m., Calleyville and Darden around 5:10 p.m. When a tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. Take cover inside now. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Move to an interior room on the lowest level of a sturdy building. Put as many walls between you and the outside as you can. Avoid windows. Protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Monday evening for Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey and southeast Pennsylvania. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle County, Delaware,